I'll show you how to make mango banana smoothie. Very easy, simple, and so delicious to make. We're going to start with 3 small bananas. If you have bigger bananas, you can make it 2. And then we'll use 1 cup of coconut milk. And then we'll also use 2 cups of diced mangoes. It's a mango season, so enjoy your mango now. So we get ready to throw our fruits into the blender. We'll start with the 2 cups of mangoes, our bananas, 1 cup coconut milk. You can use almond milk or any milk you like to use. We'll cover it up and then we blend it till it's very smooth. Our smoothie is ready and it's time to put in our bowl. Wow, lovely. I love the yellow color. I love mangoes a lot. I don't know who is with me on this. I can consume mango even though it has a lot of calories. I don't mind. So this is our beautiful mango banana smoothie. You can as well put it in a cup if you don't want to take it in a bowl. Lovely. So just have a glass with me, enjoy. You can do any consistency you like. This is a little thicker. You can make it lighter by adding more water or ice cubes. Enjoy with a spoon, enjoy with a straw. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like.